with some friends tonight. Going to have a little dinner at the Locals Eatery down here in Niceville, Florida. I think this is going to be really fantastic. Look at all this out here. Jeez. What a view. This is fantastic. This is going to be great. I am really looking forward to this tonight. Absolutely. Daily specials. See what we got for them.
Okay, that's going to drive me crazy. Stop!
We have a little squeaking fan.
It's just going.
Where's the switch? But the switch is for all of them.
Oh, it's all right.
But I heard it too, yeah.
Yeah, he's looking too.
Yeah. What is that?
I have got to, when I go in for my eye exam, I've got to get new reading glasses. It's like I can see better without them than with them. That's not good.
Too many choices here. I'm going to have to ask them about the featured fish on. Let me try the ahi tuna bites. Give that a go and see what that's like. I am glad I ordered this.
So do you
This
want them
looks
going to
absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to try that. Well, this is the black and red fish. This looks absolutely delicious.
You're welcome.
So good.
I'm trying to remember.
We're going to try us a
Most
little
of
key
the
lime pie.
school
This looks
district is different.
absolutely
They
delicious,
said
just like everything else
you
was.
have to be.
So I'm ready to dig into it. We just finished our meal here at the Local Eatery in Niceville, Florida, and I have to say, this was absolutely delicious. We all got the seafood special. I believe that was one of my favorite things. Was that dish tonight was that blackened redfish. Oh my God, that was so good. And then the appetizers themselves, they were so fantastic. I have to say, if you're ever in Niceville, Florida, come down to the Local Eatery and have some great seafood because this is a wonderful place to eat. So with that, we are off and we'll see you again real soon.